The tum tum. The tum tum.
So this one's Tom 1. Say Tom 1.
Tom 1.
Good. Now hit Tom 1. Alright, now see Tom 2. Hit Tom 2. Good. Now hit Tom 3. Now hit Tom 2. Tom 3. Tom 3 and 2 at the same time. 3 and 2 at the same time. So now you gotta use 2 hands. Right, you gotta listen. I want you to hit Tom 2 and Tom 3 at the same time. Good, almost. But watch this. See, I'm hitting both of them at the same time. Hit them at the same time. Good, do it again. Good. Alright, so now I hit Tom 2 and Tom 1 at the same time. Yep, now let's do it at the same time. Together. Both hands.
This is the bass drum.
Good.
This is the crash cymbal.
Right.
And the right cymbal. And the hi-hat. And the snare drum. That's the marching sound. That's the snare drum.
Good. Now which one is the one we use with our foot? What's that called?
The bass.
Alright, which one is the one, which cymbal do we hit that's on our right side? Good, and what about the left side?
The crash cymbal.
Good, which one is the snare? Kick. Good, so look, whenever I say clap, I want you to hit 2 instruments, okay?
Let's do a really easy one. We'll just do.
Good job. So when I say clap, I want you to hit 2 instruments at the same time. That's going to be the hi-hat and the snare. That's not at the same time. Together. Hit them together. So how would that sound? Boom. You heard that, right? One time. One time. Okay, so hit clap for me. What's clap? Up. Almost. This is going to be clap. Cross them hands. Yeah. There you go. Clap for me. One time. Clap 2 times. Kick, clap. Ooh, kick, clap. Are you listening, Caleb?
We'll just do.
No. Watch this, Caleb. Watch. You gotta listen, okay? You're doing good. Listen. You're doing really good. But I want you to kick, then clap. Can you kick, then clap?
That's. And then crash. Rise.
Good. Well, which one's kick? Which one's kick?
The kick.
Let me hear you kick one time. Let me hear you clap one time. Yeah. Good. Now do kick, clap. Good job. Now do kick, clap, kick, clap. All right, I'm going to try to make it harder on you. Good job. Let's do kick, clap, kick, clap. Oh, okay. Now watch this. Kick, clap, kick, clap. Kick, clap, kick, clap. Good job. Now let's try to do, or we're going to learn something new. If I say together, I want you to do 3 instruments at the same time. Together, it's going to be hi-hat, snare, and kick at the same time.
Okay.
Like a bah, same time. All 3 at the same time. So, we're going to hit the hi-hat, the snare, and the kick. Watch, look at me. Together. One time. One time.
Okay.
Try it. What about the snare? Now do it with the hi-hat. So hit the hit clap and then kick at the same time. So don't forget the kick. You gotta use your foot. So do all of them at the same time.
This is the right cymbal.
Right. Good job.
And
Look,
the
Caleb.
right cymbal.
Good job. But which ones are we working with right now? Which ones are we working with right now?
Hi-hat, snare, and kick drum.
Good. I want you to hit the kick for me. Hit the snare. Hit the hi-hat. Now hit the snare and the hi-hat together. Clap. At the same time. Clap. Clap. There you go. Good. Now do that same thing, but with the kick. So look, watch this. Watch this. Same thing. That's together. Do it together. Together. Let me see. Good job, Caleb. Now show me together. That wasn't together. You didn't kick on the second one. Try it again. Together. Up. Gotta do that. Yeah, do it again. Good. Now do together. That was good, but you only did one. We want together. How many is that?
2.
Count. What's the count?
3.
Good. So 3 times. Good job. But I want you to kick. I know you got some strong legs. Now do it hard. Together. Oh, don't forget that kick. Together. Good. Now clap with the kick. Try. That's
Yes.
1. You gotta go to 2. Good. That's 3. Now do it again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Together. Yes. Good job, Caleb. Now try this. It's gonna be a little tricky. You ready? Together, clap. Together, clap. Do you remember what clap was?
But this this part is the crash cymbal and the rise cymbal.
Good job.
Which beat are we working now?
We're working together, clap, together, clap.
But this is the snare drum at the marching bands, like.
That is right. Good. Watch this, Caleb.
It's just like the.
Yeah. But look at me. We want together, clap. Show me together, then clap. Can you do that for me? Good. Now try this. Together, clap. Try again. Is that right? That's not right, Caleb.
Let me try again.
Okay, remember, it's going to be together, clap, together, clap.
Can I follow the drums? This is the rise cymbal.
Straight fingers.
The tom-tom. The one tom.
Good.
The tom-tom one. The tom-tom 2.
Good.
The tom-tom 3.
Good.
The crash cymbal. And the rise cymbal. Hi-hat. And the snare drum. That is a marching sound. Marching band.
Good. Can you play me a